Before going to see addition and subtraction of fraction of unlike term, just understand this. What are the like terms? Like fractions. See here 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7. If you look at the denominator of this fraction is same. So these fractions are known as like fractions. Okay, and 1 upon 3, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 8. If you look at this denominator of these fractions are not same, so they are called as a unlike fraction. For like fraction, addition and subtraction of like fraction, it is easy to do the addition or subtraction. Suppose this is 4 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7, then we can make the addition of numerator only and we get a fraction 9 upon 7. This is a simple way to make the addition and subtraction of a like fraction only for the like fraction. But what in case of unlike fraction? See here, suppose we take here 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 4. Now if you look at this, the denominator of this fraction is not same, that is 3 and 4. That means they are not like fractions, these are the unlike fraction. So it is not possible to make the subtraction by simple way. We have to convert these fractions into a like fraction. How to convert this fraction into like fraction? See here, I told you our famous rule, that is bhai bahan ka rule. These are the students from same family and these are also students from the same family. So 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 4 are the different families. Okay, see now the denominator of the second fraction, that is 4, we have to multiply with this numerator 4, and like family rule we have to multiply that 4 with the same number, that is 4 upon 4. And for the second fraction you have to multiply the denominator, that is 3, and here also 3. That means you have to multiply the same number to the numerator and denominator, and that number must be a second number's denominator. Okay, if you are solving this, what you are getting over here, you will get 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, plus here 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. Now if you are looking at this, these are known as like fractions. Now it is easy to make the addition of like fractions. See here how only you have to make the addition, that is 8 plus 15 upon 12, and you will get the answer will be 23 upon 12. Okay, this is the one example of addition of unlike fraction. Similarly, we can do for one example of subtraction for unlike fraction. See here, suppose 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 7. Now look at this, these are unlike fraction. Okay, how to do that? See here, I am doing same way here. This is a subtraction. This is a family of first family and this is a second family. We have to use the rule, that is भाई बहन का rule जो है अपना famous rule, that is which I showed you in earlier videos. You have to multiply with the denominator of the second fractions, that is 7 and 7. Here you have to multiply the denominator of the first fraction, that is 5 and 5. Right now solve this. What you are getting? 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, minus 5 2s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So now this is a like fraction, and subtraction of like fraction is very easy. Only you have to subtract the numerator and you will get the answer, that is 18 upon 35. Is it okay? Now see.